The commercial district is a strategical project to overcome the problem of the traditional segment of economy that is the commerce. To overcome the problem because of the e-commerce and with the strategic lines of the district, we want to promote the innovation of the commerce and to involve all the operators and association of commerce, of Commercio, URES, of the territory in the center, in the middle of the city, but also in all the zone of the city.
So, what are the main points you want to implement?
So the main point is riqualificazione urbana, urban review and innovation with digital instruments and a new practice of quality of the commerce.